The story name is Love and Hope. She willed herself to not check her phone to see if he had replied. It had been about 3 days now. She hated that she was constantly checking his last seen at status. And yes, he had logged in just 5 minutes ago. Yet she could not stop herself. The sinking feeling to find absolutely no communication from him was becoming unbearable and almost torturous. And then, just as she sat down in her chair, her phone vibrated. With her heart thudding in her ear, she unlocked her phone and stared at the screen. Finally, it was his message. But when she opened it and read, it nearly stopped breathing. She did not know if he was joking or not. "What is this?" she screamed, seeing the message from him. It was a selfie picture of Ranjit with a girl, followed by a message stating that it was his girlfriend and they have been in love for the past 2 months. She felt really doomed and sat silently looking at that image. Hours passed as she remained in the same state. Suddenly, while looking at the picture, she remembered seeing that girl somewhere in the recent past. She started browsing other pictures in her gallery phone. Picture after picture she swiped through the gallery and found the picture of the girl. Now remember her, Sundar, one of her classmates, sent that picture 2 weeks before showing that she was his girlfriend. The girl's name was Nikita. Both Ranjit and Sundar say that she is her girlfriend. She wondered how could that even be possible and came to conclusion that Nikita must have been cheating on both of them. She felt irritated on Nikita. She called Ranjit at once and informed this to him, how she is cheating on both of them. But he was not ready to hear it and shouted back at her with anger. He also warned her not to spread such kind of rumors just because she could not have him in her life and ended the call abrupt. She tried to call him again, but he did not attend the calls. Ranjit was madly in love over Nikita. So she tried saying this to Sundar, but he also was not ready to believe it. Sundar also said to her that he had knew him long before. Nikita has shown Ranjit to him, one of her best buddies. So she tried saying this to Sundar, but he also was not ready to believe it. Sundar also said to her that he had knew him long before. Nikita has showed Ranjit to him, one of her best buddies. The girl has played the game well between these two. Ranjit thinks Sundar is a good friend of Nikita. Sundar thinks exactly the same of Ranjit. Both of them have complete trust over her. But this girl is not worth their trust. It is some girls like these who brings the wrong opinion on the entire woman. So she somehow wanted to prove it to them both. She tried showing the picture and messages to both of them. But love made them blind. The trust they had on Nikita was far better than the trust they had on her. But she did not give up because she still loved Ranjit and wanted to save him from the claws of that Nikita. It was like fighting a losing battle for her. Yet she fought with hope. After a few days, at the break time, she sent word to Sundar through a friend that she wanted to meet him at the basketball pitch. Did the same with Ranjit. So both Ranjit and Sundar came to the basketball pitch one by one. She hid herself at the distance and watched them both. Sundar recognized Ranjit and started talking with him. They had talks between them, like their name, their department, such like that. But to the bad luck of her, rain started pouring from the clouds, and fear of getting drenched, they both left the place, running from the rain in separate directions. Nikita was saved by her luck. Eventually, Nikita came to hear about what she was trying to do. The word spread to her through both Ranjit and Sundar. This made easier for Nikita to stay cautious and escape with both of them with further more lies. Nikita even wanted both of them to stay away from her and so mesmerized them with her beauty and glamour. So due to this, both of them started avoiding her, not knowing the fact that she was trying to help them. Days and weeks passed. Every time she tried to approach them, they avoided her. She believed the only way to make them believe is to make them both meet in person and talk with each other. But it would not happen as long as they keep avoiding her. She needed to gain both of their trust on her as it was back before. She continued her efforts. The more the day passed, the more love grew over Ranjit. One day she got a call from an unknown number. She attended the call and it was from Nikita. She tried to threaten her and wanted to stop everything she did at once. She was not afraid of Nikita and answered back that she would not stop until she proved Nikita a cheat. It was a long call and many exchanges of words happened between those two. The call soon became a battle. She challenged Nikita that she would bring her down. Nikita ended the call with a big laugh. Now she became more determined to stop Nikita. She started thinking of the ways to make both Ranjit and Sundar meet one another. Meanwhile, Nikita threatened both of them that she would break up the love if she found him in any contact with her. Nikita's words were like God's order to both of them. They followed it like everything, and so she was erased from their lives. Days passed by. All time the same thing happened. She reached only failure in all her attempts. She could never get to speak with them. Once she even did get a message from Ranjit saying, "Who are you?" But later found it was sent by Nikita from Ranjit's phone. This Nikita surely did have a lot of luck with her, but it was not near the hope that she had. Ranjit and Sundar were enjoying their days with Nikita while she was attempting to reveal the truth in the back. Many of her friends even suggested her leave her past. It is their fate to be cheated on and wanted her to start a new life, but she was not ready to give up. When Nikita is not afraid to lie, why should she be trying with only the truth? A lie to take down another lie? This was her last plan, to show them the truth. She sent word through a friend to Ranjit that she has been in an accident and wants to see him. After hearing this, Ranjit rushed to the hospital. When he reached there, he saw that she was unharmed and got angry. But she made him calm down by saying that he would never come to see her if she had not lied like this, and also wanted him to listen to her. She wanted to meet Ranjit and his girlfriend for the one last time, and then she promised to leave his life forever. Ranjit replied with a dull face that Nikita will not agree with this, but she forced him to keep it secret until they made the meeting. Ranjit was told to bring her just like a dinner date. Ranjit agreed and left the place with confused mind. She did the same thing with Sundar and told that she wanted to give him a dinner treat for old-time friendship, and then she will live his life, and also took promise that he must keep it a secret from Nikita, and then Sundar to leave the place. Both Ranjit and Sundar agreed to this for their old-time friendship with her. She was not erased but locked away from their life by Nikita. The next day evening, Ranjit had taken Nikita to dinner at Hotel Royal Cuisine, as told by her. They were at table number 7. It was really romantic, love was filled in air. Sometime around 8 o'clock, Sundar reached the place. She saw him entering the hotel from the other end. She started walking towards him. They both met near the table 7, where Ranjit and Nikita were present. Nikita became startled on seeing them both. Even Ranjit and Sundar were astonished on the meeting. They all took a seat in the same table. Nikita's heart was beating at a high number, while there was no fear in both Ranjit and Sundar's face. It was really silent and no one uttered a word. Suddenly, Nikita fell to the ground unconscious. Both of them rushed to take care of her. But to the bad luck of Nikita, there was a doctor at the next table. She came there when she saw this and checked on Nikita. The doctor found that Nikita was just pretending and said to them, So Nikita had no choice but to stop her play. Nikita opened her eyes to see Ranjit at one side, Sundar on the other side. She was just exact opposite to her. Both Ranjit and Sundar's face was filled with worries. She introduced to each of them, Meet Nikita, his boyfriend, showing hand of both of them. Both screamed in shock. What? Nikita's face started sweating. Both of them said that he was his boyfriend and started shouting at each other. Then both of them turned towards Nikita and asked him to tell the truth. Nikita kept a grim face and answered with silence. She enjoyed this victory by seeing at it for a while. It gave her satisfaction seeing both of them had found the truth. Nikita was struggling between them, speechless. Both Ranjit and Sundar were ashamed of themselves for being cheated on. Ranjit felt the scene with a broken heart. Sundar gave a big slap to Nikita. He shouted a big word at her. He swore that he would get his revenge on Nikita and said he would ensure that she should never cheated on any other man. He left the place angrily after that. She gave a hand to Nikita with an evil little smile in the lips. She said, Good luck. The entire crowd in the hotel saw everything, and Nikita ran from there, embarrassed. She then turned and searched around the hotel for Ranjit. At a distance in a balcony, she found Ranjit. He wiped his tears as she walked towards him. There was still the mark that she could still feel. Both he and she stood facing the lovely sky, side by side. He turned towards her and said in a dull voice, Thank you. Thank you for everything. There were still tears in his eyes. Do not waste your feeling on someone unworthy like this. And also propose to him, Ranjit, I love you. Love you with my heart. I am there for you. This Akshara is always there for you. Her heart was beating very fast. She was worried what his reaction would be. Ranjit turned towards her and replied with a small smile which showed only one meaning. The love bird blossomed between Ranjit and Akshara. If she had given up, she would have never got this life. But her hope and effort led to her a great life with the person she loved. So here the story ends, and it is a lovely, romantic, cute love story. I hope you like this story. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel so that you can get more story like this.